Welcome everybody to our very first pre-calc lesson. At the top of your page, we're going to put our topic for the day and our date. Our topic is point slope form. Also at the top of the page, you're going to have today's date. Today is Thursday, August 27th, 2020. If at any point during this video I am moving too fast for you, you should pause and rewind. Nothing wrong with pausing and rewinding. You should use that as much as you need to. Okay, we're going to start off. Here is our point slope form. This is our formula where we have a point x1, comma, y1. So we should write out that highlighted portion in our notebooks. This is our point slope form. And where m is slope. It is the most efficient way to write the equation of a line when all you have is a single point and the slope. Hence, point slope. All right, let's look at number one. You should number these and you should write this as example 1 in your notebook, and this is your example. Pause the video, write it out, and restart when you're ready. Number 1. Where do we see -2, 4? We see that right here. And if we look closely at our formula, we see there's a minus sign in front of y1 and in front of x1, meaning that our signs flip. So we're going to use opposite signs. Great, so we see it right up there. That's number 1. Number 2, our slope, we're going to mark in green. Our slope is right here, and our slope is -3. It is called point slope form because it uses one point and a slope. How would you graph this line in point slope form? Let's break this one down. Step 1, I would identify the point. I would identify the slope. I would plot that point. And then lastly, use that slope to create more points. All right, reminder that our slope is rise over run, and that's how we utilize it to create more points. Great, let's graph this line. Remember, we need to take opposite signs because our formula is minus y1 and minus x1. So our point here is +1, +5. Our slope we see right up front. That's -2/7. That's my rise over the run. It's not important that our graph is perfect, but it's important that it's relatively proportional. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's my point. My rise over run tells me down 2, 1, 2, over 7 is going to put me at 8. I can also go up 2 and down 7. So we can move the negative sign there and all things stay equivalent. So I'm going to try going up 1, 2, and then over 7 is going to put me at -6. So no need to draw every little tick mark if you're able to do the math and just tell me what point that is. And we have our line. That's all for today, guys. Check Google Classroom if you need to look at the assignment or the answer key. Thanks.